here's one that's always interested me, right? Like if I'm a shipper, it doesn't matter if I'm an enterprise shipper, SMB shipper, I am out there shopping for carriers, right? Like online dating. I'm looking at brands, profiles. They all tell me they're the best, the baddest in the industry, the fastest, the least amount of claims. And the shipper is always the one out there kind of looking for the carrier. But I don't think a lot of shippers, and this is how I would think of it if I was a small business owner, because I could actually leverage this for my benefit. How do carriers look at me? Am I attractive to carriers in the way I do business? Do I make it easy to do business, right? Meaning, what does that mean to be a shipper of choice? Well, how do I communicate with my carrier? Meaning, how do I give them the information? Am I a big shipper and I have drop trailers, so I just load my freight in there? I don't even call them for dispatch because it's easy for me. So I'm not giving them opportunity to get information to plan on the shipments. I'm not live rating and passing this information to dispatch so that he can assign it to P&D drivers and know exactly what he's picking up. I'm not helping them internally plan to execute these shipments. How do carriers look at you? Too many times as a shipper, I think we make it super easy for us to give them business, but we don't make it super easy for carriers to succeed on our business. And it's ironic because these carriers are our partners. They're an extension of my company that I started until they make delivery. So it would behoove me to set them up for success. And this is something I think that's just overall missing, especially in LTL, is some of that. And mind you, if you look at another mode like parcel or small pack, well, it's there. You don't have a choice. You give them a beautiful label. You give them dimensions, complete information. You tell them who they're delivering to by name or phone. It's included in there as a requirement. And then you go over to LTL, a very similar mode, larger freight, probably higher value, and you give them half the information and expect them to be just as successful on the freight. So to me, I think one of the things that needs to change, and if I'm a small business owner or a manager that's handling the transportation, what do I look from the outside looking in? Am I that shipper of choice? Again, tools like My Carrier can help move you and transform your organization to be more digitally attractive and a better partner.